Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to enable macros in a file that you might download in Excel specifically. So I work a lot with files that have macros in them, and sometimes when I'm teaching a class or when I'm just working on something, I will get a file that has macros and I need to be able to work on that macro. So I'm going to show you how to enable the macros for a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this file folder. I've got a file here that I'm working on, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it to show you what happens. And so it says, to ask me to enable editing. I do that. And then I get this security risk. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of the file is untrusted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and close out the file here. And you don't need to open the file to do what I'm about to do, but you do have to have the file closed to make it work. So you need to close the file, go out to wherever you've got this file at, and then right click on the file, go to Properties, and then go to General, and then down below it says Security. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect the computer. I trust where it's coming from, and so I'm going to select Unblock. Now you should only do this if you trust the source of the file. Don't randomly go and download files from weird places. But if you know where the file is coming from, you trust the source of the file, go ahead and do this. Select Unblock by the security, press Apply, press OK. Now I'm going to go and reopen this file up. All right. And so I didn't get that message. I will go to where I need to, and where my macro is being used is on this without options sheet. It's being used to calculate the variance covariance matrix, and here we see that it's working as expected. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Thanks.